Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how to use Zoho CRM in 2025, and it will be a breakdown video. I am going to show you step by step guideline. So basically Zoho CRM is one of the best free all-in-one CRM tools for small businesses, and you can manage leads, automate sales, track deals, and boost your productivity without spending a fortune. Like, so grab your laptop and let's get your CRM and let's start running. So what is actually Zoho CRM is? So here you can see we are already in an admin panel. So if you see from the scratch what actually is Zoho CRM, so here you will get this kind of an interface. Like, Zoho CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management tool that helps you to store and manage customer data, track leads and sales pipelines, and it helps you to automate repetitive tasks and also collaborate with your team in one place and generate reports to grow your business. And the best part is there's a robust free version available. It is perfect for a startup. So here you can see, and creating an account is actually so much easy in Zoho. Like, you just need to create your Zoho CRM account for your start. So you just need to visit to the zoho.com and then select the feature app you want actually. Then here you can see get started with your 15-day free trial. So you just need to provide your full name, email address, then password, then your phone number, and then select this one. Or you can go with these two options. These are the simplest one. You can go with this one. Then once you create an account, then eventually you will get this kind of an interface for your CRM. So, like, let me give you a tip. Like, you can also sign up with your Google account for faster access. Always remember this thing. Then we are going to set up our CRM dashboard. Like, after signing up, you will land your Zoho CRM dashboard, as you can see it. Then from here you can see leads, contacts, deals, task, and many more. Here you can see this is the task we have, this is the meeting, today's link, then closing this month, and many more. If you want to add a couple of more, you are allowed to add component here. And then you just need to go to the setting. Like, here you can see this is the icon, it's called setup. Here you can see we have so much option: leads, contacts, account, deal, calls, and many more. So from that place you just need to visit here, or you can go with this one. So I am going to click to the setup. Once I click over here, then I will get options for personal setting and company setting. Like, here you just need to provide your company details, like at your company name, logo, contact info, then set your time zone and also the currency, and then team members. If you are working with others, you are allowed to add them in that place. Then once you're done, now to add leads and contacts. So to add a new lead, how you can do it? So come back to Zoho CRM and home. Here you have the options called leads. Just select over here. When you will click over here, the lead in the top menu, you will get an option to create leads over here. As you can see, we have a couple of leads over here. You just need to click over here, create lead. Once you click over here, now you just need to fill out their name, email, company name, etc. Let's provide the title will be Walton, then the phone number will be 880 plus, unfortunately plus will be firstly 1761746144. Then this one is phone number, so I am going to provide it in the mobile. Then copy, cold call X. Let's search for lead source, web download, industry, in the government, legacy, service provider, annual revenue 1000 million. Then here provide the phone number. It has Mr. Waljet. This is his name. Then here you just need to provide all these things like description, street address. Let's provide this one. Then provide this last name, email, fax, website, couple of things. Then you just need to be click over here save. Let's provide a name, burger, and provide to the save, and it will be done. It has been saved here, as you can see it. Once a lead is qualified, you can convert it to a contact and create a deal. You are able to do it. Like here you can see we have this convert. Just click over here convert. Once you click over here, now you can convert it from a deal for this account. It's totally up to you. Let me give you a tip in this section, like leads and contact section, that you can also import contract from a CSV or sync with Gmail or Outlook. Then we are going to talk about manage deals and pipelines. Like Zoho CRM lets you track your entire sales process. You just need to be click over here into the deal sections. Once you click over here, now here you can see that we have a pipeline over that place. So Zoho CRM lets you track your entire sales process. Like you just need to be click over here deals, then click to the create deal. Once you click over here create deal, then now eventually you can see we are getting some form over here. We just need to be fill in the form, like fill in the deal name, stage value, then expected close date. Use the pipeline view to drag and drop these deals through stage. Like here you can see, like click over here qualifications, then need analyzing, value propositions, then we have this one identify discussion maker, then proposal, and many more. You can change it as you want. You have this authority, like you could do it also. Then this gives you a clear overview of your sales flow, and you can easily track your pipeline. Once you feel that it is really great, then we are going to talk about another amazing thing, that is automate and track task. So stay connected is really important. So you just need to be click over here into the task, and here you can see we are allowed to create a task over here. Just click over here, and then here you just need to provide your information one by one. Then here you just need to be select account, easy deal, contract, not started, deferred, priority, hide, reminder. You can on it, track owner. Let's provide things, HH, and then due date. Let's select date over here, 29, then due date, then contract. You just need to provide a contract over here, and then you just need to be click over here save, and it really been saved over here. And you can see this is the lead we already got. So you can also set up workflows to automate repetitive actions like sending emails when a deal reach a certain page. Let me give you a tip on this, that automation saves time and keeps your pipeline moving always. And then we are going to talk about user report and analytics. So basically Zoho CRM comes with built-in reports. Like you just need to click over here into the reports. Here you can see we have these options. Let's find it out. Does we have, let's try to click on the visit. Here right now we don't have any analytics, but here we will get the reports option. So here let's try to, we already find it. This is the report. So if I click over here reports to say all sales, pipeline, conversation rates, and more, you can create custom dashboard to monitor what matters you most. Then you can download report as PDFs or share them with your team. This helps you to make data driven decision to grow your business. So let's wrap up, and that's it. Now you know how to set up and use Zoho CRM step by step, and now you can easily create your account, edit leads and deal. Then you can set up task and automation, and also you learn how to track result with reports. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and comment below if you like a deeper tutorial on Zoho automation, email campaign or integration. Thanks for watching and happy selling.